Hello and welcome to MSCJ Mic Talk, your one-stop podcast for health, finance, and everything under the sun. Brought to you by Sumaya Vidyavar University. We are here to spark conversations, ask bold questions, and keep things real. I am your host Harshal Jadhav, and today we have Aditi Deara. Hello.
Hi.
So Aditi is a freelance content writer. She has ample amount of knowledge about content writing, and she has also worked with various companies and various media houses. So hi Aditi.
Hi,
Uh,
Harshal.
so grab your headphones, settle in, and let's gear up for a conversation you won't want to miss. So Aditi, what inspired you to become a content writer?
So I wanted to have my career path in journalism,
Hmm.
and Geo News में internship था,
Oh.
and I did my internship there for 1 month,
Hmm.
but you know it click नहीं आया.
Hmm.
So and from the other side मुझे content writing का offer मिला from a friend uh, in his company. So he offered me my first internship in content writing, and so I thought I should join there.
Okay. But in conclusion, what was the I think what was a particular thing that inspired you to be a content writer?
Of course, writing.
Okay.
So I liked writing from my college days,
Okay.
and I wrote for magazines, and we had a project of newspaper making, and we collected articles, and जो मैगजीन था उसमें टोटल आइडिएशन everything was totally done by me.
Okay.
So I liked writing, so I chose content writing.
Cool.
Yeah.
So how do you land in your first writing opportunity? Which was the first content piece that you wrote?
It was my blogs in Abstract Digital World. It's a real estate agency,
Okay.
and that was my first internship.
But leaving internship aside, is there anything that you did for yourself or you wanted to do for your hobby kind of thing?
Yes, I wrote a small article. It was about freelancing and gigs.
Okay.
So that was my sample writing for my first internship, which I shared with them, and they liked it. So I got selected, and then I wrote so many things: model shoot scripts, and website content, everything basically.
Okay, so as you said, you have worked for Geo News also.
Yes.
You have experience in writing up hardcore news stories. So I would like to ask you: is what, according to you, is a correct structure for writing a news story? Not a feature article or not a soft news, but a hard news.
Inverted pyramid.
Okay, yeah.
The important facts first, and then the story, and then the
Tail part.
yes.
So I think that we all know every graduation student has that idea about the inverted pyramid style. But leaving this aside, anything that you experience in media house that you worked, is there anything different from this inverted pyramid style?
It is the most important thing I learned from the experience, and the headlines. They are very important. Like headlines में अगर hook नहीं होगा, no use.
Okay, so basically मतलब target audience hit होना चाहिए
हाँ.
with your headlines,
हाँ.
your sub headline, right? So Aditi, as you mentioned about the inverted pyramid style of writing about hardcore news story, not soft, but the hard news stories. So as we all know, there are 5 Ws and 1 is questions that are included in the body or maybe the head of the article. So what do you think? Why are these 5 Ws and 1 is question important for a hardcore news story?
To cover every angle of a story, and to give the precise information, appropriate होना चाहिए न्यूज स्टोरी को हमेशा, एंड मिसलीडिंग इंफॉर्मेशन हमेशा reduce हो जाता
And
है.
I think अगर particular data अगर mention किया हो
हाँ.
in the head itself, so I think जो reader है उसको कोई
उसको
अलग
easy हो जाता है.
perception change नहीं होता है, and he
Correct.
gets the actual news that a writer wants
हाँ,
to show.
right.
Okay, cool. So Aditi, how can a beginner or how can a rookie can start a freelance in content writing?
So I think freelancing करना चाहिए. Every content writer should do this freelancing thing. एंड फ्रेशर्स को स्टार्ट फ्रीलांसिंग से करना चाहिए. इवन कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स जो कंटेंट राइटिंग में अपना फ्यूचर बनाना चाहते हैं, दे कैन जस्ट स्टार्ट विद अ फ्रीलांसिंग थिंग एंड बाद में कंपनीज में ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं व्हेन दे गेट हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस. तो फ्रीलांसिंग स्टार्ट करने के लिए यू जस्ट नीड टू राइट. You
Yeah.
need to write things and upload.
You should know how to write your emotions on a paper.
हाँ, right.
And you should be original kind of thing. Yeah.
Correct.
Okay, cool. Also, can you mention any platforms that are best for freelancers to work?
You can upload it on LinkedIn, Upwork, Fiverr. There are many things. Even there is a website called Freelancers,
Okay.
which from which I got work.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and the pay is also अच्छा खासा. ठीक है.
Okay. And can you say something about the connections that you built through freelancing? Have you particularly have made any connections through freelancing?
Yes. एक क्लाइंट को अगर अच्छा लग रहा है तो दे जस्ट गिव योर रेफरेंस टू अनदर वन.
Okay.
एंड उनको अगर अच्छा लग रहा है तो दे कैन जस्ट हायर यू फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म. तो दैट्स बेसिकली प्रॉफिटेबल.
But even though you get references or you can get recommendations,
Yes.
but I think there is a kind of uncertainty in this field, in freelancing particularly.
ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज, बट अगर आपको स्टार्ट करना है करियर तो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग.
Okay, cool. Next, and this is the most important question. What are the biggest challenges that freelancer face?
Uncertainty, as you said, and the pay is less sometimes.
So maybe this can be a side hustle kind of thing.
Yes.
You can't give
Huh.
your full time in your freelancing.
Right.
Okay. And any other important that maybe clients can exploit you? Is there any case in freelancing content writing field?
Yes, of course. There are uncertainties. I mean, the clients exploit, but they are adjustable.
Okay, so you can get out your zone.
Huh.
Okay, is there any you particularly experience any kind of thing, exploitation from the client or vendor?
I didn't, but जैस मार्केट में होता है तो we get to know.
So maybe you are aware of what is
Yes.
happening now. Okay. And after this whole freelancing kind of thing, I would like to touch upon the most important point and most important thing that is going on in the market of content writing. That is AI.
Right.
So, what do you think? AI tools can replace humans
No.
in content writing?
No, AI can't replace humans. You know, AI use करके we can get the benefit. मतलब काम easy हो सकता है. It can help, but replace नहीं कर सकता humans को. Obviously, the human touch is needed.
Okay.
Clients want that human touch.
So, but few months back, I saw news from Infosys and Google. They trashed out their 300 to I think 1500 employees because they got AI.
Right.
So, is there any case कि कोई मीडिया हाउस आपको निकाल सकता है कि AI का यूज हो रहा है?
निकाल सकते हैं.
And we don't want anyone to write a particular news story. My AI can do that.
Yes, ऐसे cases हो सकते हैं, but it can just give you ideas. Humans are needed.
Yeah.
स्ट्रैटेजी ह्यूमंस की होगी. वो कैसे यूज करना है इंफॉर्मेशन वो ह्यूमंस डिसाइड कर सकते हैं.
Okay. Good. And also, I would like to ask you, in what ways can AI support and replace writer? मतलब not just replacing the humans, but how can a human use AI particularly?
टू ईज देयर वर्क. अगर बहुत सारा वर्कलोड है तो दे कैन जस्ट टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम एआई. वो काम इजी कर देगा एंड इंफॉर्मेशन अप्रोप्रिएट होगा एआई से एंड it can give ideations. Basically, good type of
I think ChatGPT was the most famous one, but right
Yes.
now Gemini has also
Yes.
entered the market, and also I saw the news that they are giving their Gemini Pro to students for 1 year, and it is free for everyone. So I think most of the students use AI
Yes.
for writing content in their college also for maybe, and there are possibilities that client gives you freelance work, but you are using AI to make that freelance work.
Yes, sometimes.
So maybe there are ethics that should be followed in this field
Free.
also.
हाँ.
Okay. Also, do you personally use AI in your work?
Yes, I use AI sometimes for my freelancing things, and also to get some unique ideas, jo
But means you use ideas kind of thing from the AI, but not
Huh.
using the whole work of
yes,
AI.
of course,
Okay. So can you mention any AIs that you use?
deep search
Okay.
and DeepSeek. It's I just like that, these tools.
Okay. And also, I think X का भी कुछ तो Grok करके कुछ था, right? People use it also.
Okay.
Okay. For maybe making templates or anything, आपको ये AI use करते हो?
आउटलाइंस बनाने में यूज कर लेती हूँ,
Okay.
ब्लॉग्स क्या आउटलाइंस.
Okay. Cool. Aditi, after learning about the AI kind of thing, I would like to touch upon another topic, that is advertising and journalism. There are two main fields in market for content writing, right? Advertising and one is journalism.
Yes.
So, what do you say on the difference between both the fields, particularly for content writing?
ओके, सो जर्नलिज्म में कंटेंट राइटिंग फैक्ट्स के लिए यूज होता है. Obviously the audience need authentic information. तो we can say journalism में content writing इसलिए यूज होता है, and advertising is all about copywriting,
Okay.
ads, jingles, and the social media copies. उसमें हम लोग कंटेंट यूज करते हैं, ब्लॉग्स, आर्टिकल्स, एवरीथिंग.
Okay.
So they are more used in actually equally यूज होता है, जर्नलिज्म हो या एडवर्टाइजिंग. कंटेंट राइटिंग दोनों में भी
But I
इम्पोर्टेंट है.
think you mentioned properly how there are differences. Means in journalism you need facts, factual news.
Yes.
You need to be precise in what you write in journalism. But in advertising, I think you can be free. You can open your mind. You can
Yes,
play with
it can be creative enough.
yeah. You can play with the emotions of audiences and target audiences. So you can reach towards your target audience by being maybe sensational in your advertisements.
हाँ.
Okay, cool. After that, which one do you enjoy more writing, for creative or for content? In journalism?
I enjoy both equally.
But even if we compare, we would like to balance.
हाँ.
But is there any particular field अगर आपको creative में लिखना पसंद है या आपको news में लिखना पसंद है?
I prefer news में,
Okay.
because it is all about facts and research, so I just like that.
So I think you don't like much to use your creative part. Rather, you like to just be precise in your writing.
Yes.
Okay. I think there is one more important concept, that is SEO, search engine optimization, which is mostly used in the market when you go for interviews or maybe you go for internship interviews. They ask you, do you know what is SEO? How to use SEO? So, what you can say about SEO, that search engine optimization?
So I'll just start from scratch. सर्च इंजन पे अगर हम लोग को रैंक करना है,
Okay.
व्हेन यू सर्च समथिंग, अगर हम लोग को फर्स्ट सेकंड पे आना है.
And I think there are multiple pages. If you scroll
Yes.
down, there are, I think, 100 to 200
हाँ.
pages. If you don't want to go in the last pages,
Right.
you need to use the SEO.
SEO. हाँ. So उसके लिए we just need to optimize SEO. We have to use keywords
Okay.
in our articles, blogs, anything about the content thing.
So, Aditi, you may be knowing about the writer's block. Most of the content writers or people who write novels or stories, they get some kind of writer's block. No, so I think me too. When I think I need to write something and I get stuck in my brain. So I just go in in a garden or I go in the nature to experience the nature and remove the creator block. So, what do you do personally for removing the creator block?
So I listen to music
Okay.
and melody music. So it just refreshes my mind and I get recharged.
And maybe you get the adrenaline rush
Yes.
after listening music.
Huh.
So maybe you can remove the creator block and write again whatever.
Yes.
Okay, cool. After this, I will look to ask कि how do a content writer should keep on improving and how do you do? मतलब हर एक content writer को अपना content निखारते रहना चाहिए, writing style निखारते रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि and in case वहाँ पे उसका अगर जगह खाली होगा तो वहाँ पे competition में बहुत सारे लोग हैं.
Of course, हाँ.
So what do you say कि how a content writer should improve particularly?
Content writers should never stop reading
Okay.
and लिखते रहो. Novels, watch news and movies, everything. Just reading is the best.
Hmm.
Reading can improve your whole perspective, you know.
And I think not only writing style but also the vocabulary, the
Yes,
kind of vocab and kind of grammar that you use for your content pieces, which can be improved by how what you said at
And
novels
even
and
news
books.
channels give us a vast vocabulary. So
I think not. She's not talking about the Hindi news. Maybe
obviously.
most probably the English. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So क्योंकि हिंदी न्यूज़ में हमने देखा है कि वही सब चल बायसनेस चल रहा है,
हाँ.
बम्बार्डिंग चल रहा है. After this, I would like to ask कि where do you see after watching the whole market right now? What do you see? Where is the future of content writing in few years?
So there is a vast future in content writing.
Hmm.
डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसीज हो गए,
Hmm.
स्टार्टअप्स है, टेक्निकल राइटर्स, यू नो, देयर इज अ स्कोप. कंटेंट राइटर्स ये मिथ में नहीं रहे तो अच्छा है कि एआई विल रिप्लेस देम और समथिंग.
But I think I think AI can replace
Yes.
them. But
It can.
but as we mentioned in last question कि खुद को निखारते रहेंगे, improving your writing style
Right.
can land you in many jobs.
At last humans are needed,
Yeah.
even
obviously.
if AI comes.
Okay. After this, what can I ask is content writing a right choice in 2025?
हाँ, इट इज अ राइट चॉइस बिकॉज अभी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इतना स्कोप में है
Hmm.
एंड डिजिटल मार्केटर्स नीड कंटेंट
Hmm.
ऑब्वियसली. सो वहाँ बहुत वास्ट स्कोप है फिलहाल
I think-
डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एंड कंटेंट राइटिंग बोथ.
Both the fields, advertising and journalism, both need content writers.
हाँ, राइट.
May it be print news or broadcast
Correct.
news. Also in advertising, as you said, digital marketing को भी कोई ad script लिखना है, तो script कौन लिखेगा? Content writer लिखेगा.
स्क्रिप्ट्स हो या कॉपीज के लिए टेक्स्ट हो, सब कुछ कंटेंट राइटर ही लिखते हैं.
True.
एंड इवन द
Also-
सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट.
that content writer has to do.
Right.
Yeah. Also, as you mentioned, the technical writers. I think the manuals that you use in the
हाँ.
day-to-day products, जो products का जो manuals आता है, वो technical writers लिखता है. And I think it has a good opportunity in 2025 right
Right.
now. After all these questions, Aditi, I would like to end with a concluding question. So, if you had to describe content writing in one word, what it be and why?
It's a connection. So content writing is a connection with the audience.
Hmm.
हम लोग ऑडियंस को क्या बताना चाहते हैं,
Hmm.
एंड आर दे अंडरस्टैंडिंग अस,
Okay.
आर दे अंडरस्टैंडिंग द लैंग्वेज ऑफ द राइटर.
Mm-hmm.
It's all about connection. So if your connection is strong with the audience, then आपका success sure है.
Okay. And before ending the podcast, I would like to ask one more question.
Yes.
So, Aditi, 5 years back the line, अगर आपको 5 साल पहले अगर कोई और करियर चॉइस मिलता, so आप वापस कंटेंट राइटिंग में आना चाहेंगे या एनी अदर करियर यू वुड लाइक टू गो?
Yes, मैं प्रेफर करूँगी कंटेंट राइटिंग में आना,
So,
because
हाँ,
I like writing and I am enjoying this path.
that's your particular hobby and you have turned your hobby in your job.
Enjoy.
Yeah, that's really nice. Every audience should know that. So Aditi, thank you so much for joining with us for
Thank
today's
you,
podcast. It was indeed it was great insights about content writing. You also mentioned what are the career opportunities, what are the job fields, also what are the challenges for a content writer right now in 2025.
Yes.
So it was a quite explanatory, and I think more information was given to me and to audience also. So thank you guys for watching this podcast. Stay tuned for upcoming episodes. Thank you.